Chris Barnes again, Team 17, ECE 442, Senior Design Project. I'm going to be showing you the SPI functionality, which will be programming the PGA, which is the programmable gain amplifier. First, let's take a look at the data sheet for the PGA. So this is a diagram of the timing situation that we're going to be dealing with. It's a 16-bit instruction, so it's going to send the first 8 bits, which is an instruction set that tells it what it's trying to access, and then the second 8 bits is the data byte, which once it's accessed the register, that writes information to the register, so the PGA is programmed. Now let's take a look at the coding structure. So right here is the SPI, and we have it programmed for 0, 0, which is also what the PGA will be programmed with, which basically means that as soon as the select bit goes low, and these two are low at the same time, it will start sampling at the first rising edge of the clock on S clock. Now let's take a look at the schematic, or just overlay rather. So we've got the master out slave in pin, which is the one we will be using. That means the master is going to be the PSOC, and it's going to be sending information out to the slave, which is the PGA. The instruction byte is structured such that 0, 1, and then followed by 6 zeros is the set gain register. And this 0 right here sets it to channel 0, which is the only option on the PGA we'll be using anyway. The second byte that gets sent is the gain byte, or the data byte, since the gain register is the one we'll be accessing. Now for A, B, and C, when they are all equal to 0, the gain is set to +1. When it's set to 1, 0, 1, the gain is set to +10. So we're going to be using a shift register plugged into a set of LEDs just to prove that we can actually communicate with the device and the SPI is working. We're going to plug this in and then watch it light up. So right there, that is a 0, 1 followed by 6 zeros. That's all zeros, which is the gain +1. And then the next set will be 5 zeros followed by 1, 0, 1, which is the gain +10. And that should prove SPI functionality.